Okay, so I got this chainsaw sent to me from this company here. It's a mini electric chainsaw. We're just gonna open this up and see what it's all about. I'm not gonna start it or anything. I will make another video on that, but it is brushless, high chain speed, auto oiler system. It's cordless, easy garden trimming. It's handheld. Yeah, so let's just open up this box that it was sent in. And let's see what it's all about. Okay, so you see here, it's all in here. And comes with a manual, comes with some gloves, some extra, looks like some extra tools here inside this bag. Comes with the charging port, your battery pack here that you're gonna slide your battery on to charge it. Comes with safety glasses. Comes with another battery pack here. And then this is the chainsaw here. So your battery pack is gonna slide on here. I do know that. If I can, this is your battery. Anyways, I gotta be strong here. And here's your blade cover and your blade here for the chainsaw part. Change direction here, safety, got your, pull your trigger here. But now I got this stuck, so I gotta figure this out, but, cause I can't, oh there, now it's on, now it's in. I don't know if it has any power. I might have to charge it up first, but, yeah. So here is your chainsaw, and that's everything that it comes with, like I said, and yeah, you can go get you one, but I will do a demonstration once we get to the lake and we have, we get our wood and we cut up some wood or trim some trees. I will have my husband or my son demonstrate that for you, or I can demonstrate it once I know how to use it properly. I don't want to do it because I'm not familiar with this kind of stuff, but I do know that this is just what it looks like in the box, and this is just an unboxing to show you how it comes, what it is. It's 8 inches here is how big this is, and I do like that it has the protective covering here on, and yeah, and it's electric, so that's cool too. But yeah, so here it is. Go get you one. Yeah, looks like it's easy to use, easy to set up. Like I said, it's electric.